Music. Want to know your credit score? This is my review of Borrowell's credit score tool. Links are below. We'll cover its features, who it benefits, and how it can help you manage your credit. Borrowell is a Canadian platform providing free credit scores and personalized financial advice. Using data from Equifax, it gives a reliable snapshot of your credit status. Key feature? Weekly credit score updates. Stay on top of changes and catch potential problems fast. You also get a detailed report explaining what impacts your score, payment history, credit utilization, and account age. Borrowell makes it easy to understand, even for beginners. Identify areas to improve and boost your credit profile. Borrowell also offers AI-powered product recommendations. Based on your profile, you'll see tailored loans, credit cards, or savings accounts aligned with your goals. Perfect for improving your financial health or planning investments. Borrowell also prioritizes credit education with a library of resources and tips, ideal for newcomers or those wanting to learn more. Plus, get identity theft protection alerts, notifying you of suspicious activity. Borrowell is designed for Canadians wanting a user-friendly way to monitor credit, boost financial literacy, and access tailored financial products. Building credit? Planning a purchase? Protecting your identity? Borrowell is an excellent option. Borrowell combines accurate credit monitoring, educational resources, and personalized advice to empower you. Check the links below to explore Borrowell and take control of your financial health today.